Okie dokie. Thought I'd do a little update on my Necromunda table. It's been testing in my new airbrush, sorry, a bit random. Got me a new water eclipse, lovely brush. And working out some colours of these. Some new paints and some new brushes. I've been listening to some 40k stuff, kind of getting into my 40k. That's what I'm working through. Some of that shit and some of that shit. Sorry about me just roaming. I'm just doing a little update, but this is some of my colour scheme I'm settling on. None of them are finished yet. It's just all testing. That's a work in progress. My missus likes that one better. None of them are finished yet. I'm kind of getting into this. I like all this Zone Mortalis stuff. It's a really nice bit of kit. I mean, it's expensive, but you get a nice table out of it when it's all done. I'm looking forward to when the game be done. Still got quite a bit to build, but I'm definitely going to need some more of this stuff. So I've got a 4x4 board. So we'll see. Another little fly pass. Might even be caught again. We'll see. Yeah, having some fun painting. So